Understanding war effort, the power of a nation's resolve. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, war effort. Whether you've come across it in books, movies, or even in a history class, understanding this term is vital to grasp the context it's used in. Let's dive in and explore what war effort truly means and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, war effort, refers to the collective actions and contributions of a country's citizens and government during a time of war. It's the combined endeavors everyone makes to achieve success in military operations and to support those directly affected by the conflict. From manufacturing ammunition to growing victory gardens, every action counts towards the war effort. Historically, the term has been used to describe the mobilization of a nation's resources during war. This includes economic, industrial, and social aspects. For instance, during World War II, factories switched from making consumer goods to producing war materials. Men and women volunteered for military service or worked in these factories as part of the war effort. During the war, they rationed food and clothing as part of the war effort. The whole community came together to support the war effort, with some collecting supplies and others providing care for wounded soldiers. The government launched a propaganda campaign to boost the war effort and maintain public morale. When discussing historical events or participating in discussions about wartime policy or history, understanding the phrase, war effort, allows you to contribute meaningfully. It's about recognizing the sacrifices and determination of a people united for a common cause. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of war effort and its significance in both historical and modern contexts. Stay tuned for more insightful English language learning content. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn brightens your path to fluency. Goodbye, and happy learning!